Hello guys, welcome back to day 9 of our React 30 days 0 to hero series. And today we will be discussing about the states in functional component. So let's get started. So for this I'll clear out all the code which we have written and I'll create the function component. So to do that we just directly need to write function, name of our component and return method. I'll write something here just to test, and I'll return it for export it for default app. Let's save and test it. Yeah, so our function component is working properly. In our previous videos we saw that in class component we had this.state for the state of our component, but for a function component we do not have anything such as a state. But in React version 16.8 React hooks were introduced. By using React hooks, we were able to have the state of our function component. So to implement state, we have the useState hook. So let's see how to implement the useState hook. So first of all, we will import the useState hook from React like this. useState hook is actually a function which takes the initial value and it returns mainly two things. One is the name of that state variable and the function to manipulate that state variable. So we destructure that by using square braces. Let us say we are using the name and the set name. So this is the name, our state variable. I'll initialize it with a value, let us say YouTube. In function component, grabbing the value of any state variable is way more easy than our class component. So in our return statement, I will open and close curly braces and I'll directly use the name variable here and I'll save it. Let us see. Yeah, so as you can see, hey there, YouTube is getting printed. Now to manipulate this name, I will create one method. So const change name, and I'll be using setName method directly. And you can pass the new value whichever you want. So in my case, I'll say React course. I'll save this, and to call this function I'll create one button, so like this button, change name, and I'll assign this change name method to our onClick handler. So onClick directly change name method. So as you can see, the code in our function component is way more cleaner than our class components code, and that's the beauty of our functional components. So let's test on our front end. So I'll be clicking this change name button, and as you can see, once I clicked, it changed to hey there React course. So to create state of any functional component, we need to use useState hook from React library. To grab the state variable, you can directly access by its name, and to update the state variable, you can directly use this method written from useState hook, which we declared in the beginning, like this. So that's it for today's video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.